If you're listening to this, then you're about to have lots of success, wealth, confidence, and great relationships coming your way very soon. Listen to this every day to attract wealth, abundance, success, and good relationships into your life. I'm planting new thoughts for your success all day long. Get ready for your new life. I'm healthy and capable of having a joyful and accomplished day. My mind and body are ready to shine. Today will be the best day of my life. I control my thoughts, feelings, and my whole self. I can always make a safe place for myself. I believe in my abilities to succeed and achieve whatever I want. I'll be grateful and present in every moment today, and I'll see all the opportunities that come my way. I'm thankful for this day and excited about excelling in every aspect of my life. I'm ready for the endless opportunities. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. I'm ready right now. My goals are always possible for me. I choose a life full of love, peace, prosperity, and abundance over negativity and stress. My well-being is a priority today. I'm proud of myself, worthy, and my dreams will come true. I'm healthy and capable of having a joyful and accomplished day. I'm grateful for today. Today, I'm the best version of myself. I'm ready to achieve my goals. A new day means new opportunities. My mind is a place of hope and positivity. I believe in myself, and I'll succeed today. I'm living my best and being my best naturally. My mind and body are fully recharged, and I'm ready for action. I'm grateful, at ease, fearless, and brave. I control my mind, and I have all the power. Today is a great day. I'm in harmony with the universe, and great things will come. I'm aligned with my dreams being fulfilled now. My mind and body are ready to shine. Today, I choose kindness, love, and positivity for everyone. I won't react negatively to anything. I'll attract loving thoughts, prosperity, and success. I am enough and worthy. I heal through the power of these words. Yesterday is a lesson, not a burden. Today is a gift, and nothing can hold me back. I welcome a peaceful, prosperous, and gentle day filled with success. My mind is in sync with the universe's natural state. I'm relaxed and ready to achieve my desires. My mind has the power to conquer fears and doubts. I can confidently start my day. I'm confident and capable. I deserve love, peace, and success. Today is my day to live as if I have all of those things now. I'm living, learning, and growing. I'm present and believe in myself to be successful, abundant, and confident. I'm grateful, at ease, fearless, and brave. I control my mind and don't react negatively to things. My mind and body are ready for the day. I'm focused, centered, and at peace. Everything will be perfect today. I release my body and mind from anxiety and stress with each breath and these words. I'm thankful for everything that comes into my life today. Positive thoughts of self-love, optimism, and success will fill this day because I have everything I want. I'm thankful for the endless opportunities. Today, I'm ready. My goals are always possible for me. I choose life, love, peace, and abundance over negativity. My well-being is my priority. I'm proud of myself, worthy, and my dreams will come true. I'm healthy and capable of having a joyful day with gratitude. Now you're ready to have the best day of your life and attract everything you want. Listen to this track every morning. Have a great day because I know you will. Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Do you dream of a life where money flows effortlessly into your bank account, providing you with the freedom and security you deserve? Your dreams are closer than you think. Introducing the secret way to attract money starting today. Your ticket to financial prosperity and ultimate abundance. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.